Hello and welcome to an episode of Trains App, and today we're at Long Buckby on the Northampton branch of the West Coast Mainline, servicing services by London Midland and with any luck some freight as well. So let's see what shall turn up. Okay, and our first train of there is going to be the 1506 London Midland service to Birmingham New Street.
1508 London Midland service to London Euston, calling at Northampton,
35106.
Milton Keynes Central, Bletchley, Leighton Buzzard and London Euston. This train has 4 carriages.
And also coming is going to be the 1508 London Midland service to London Euston, 35235, sporting the British Transport Police livery. Okay, both 350s are about ready to depart. Okay, and the next train to pass by is going to be a Freightliner Class 90. .9045. Okay, and the next train turn up is going to be the 1521 London Midland service to London Euston. They gave off a cracking 2 tones that pulled into the station, but sadly I missed it. And it's 35127. Okay, and getting ready to depart is going to be the 1521 London Midland service to London Euston. To do with the clean. Got a nod from the guard there, thank you very much. Okay, and the next train driver is going to be the 1527 London Midland service to Birmingham New Street. 35237. That train's all but empty. Okay, 350-237 is now departing with the 1527 London Midland service to Birmingham New Street. Okay, and the next train to round the bend is going to be per DB Cargo Class. Oh, so not. Oh, hello. Well, there was a 90, there was a 67, a couple of 66s, and 92032 on the rear. If anyone can remember or get the numbers of that convoy, that would be greatly appreciated. But the 67, that was in EWS livery. One of the DB Schenker Cargo UKs was in... No, DB Cargo UK was in red, the one with EWS. The 90 was in DB Cargo red. And obviously the red 92 was 92032. Okay, now coming in is the 1541 London Midland service to London Euston with 35238. Actually, I think it's the 1551. Okay, she is now departing. I think it was the delayed the delayed 1541 service. I'm not too sure, I must admit I completely missed the announcement. Okay, the next train to arrive is the 1548 London Midland service to Birmingham New Street with 35255. With another near empty train. Okay, 35255 is now departing with the 1548 London Midland service to Birmingham New Street. Okay, and our final train of the day is going to be another Freightliner Class 90042. And as you can see so much, I should leave it there. Thank you all very much for watching, it is greatly appreciated. If you've liked what you see today, then please do like and subscribe. Feel free to leave a comment, I do get back to them as and when I get the opportunity to. I've thoroughly enjoyed filming at Long Buckby. It's been a fantastic station to come back to after nearly 2 years away from it. Nice little hour spent here. You could easily spend more time here, but I get a nice little mixture of freight and passenger traffic. Plenty of 90s this afternoon, which I'm not complaining about. It was a nice, interesting capture of the loco consists that came through. Shamma couldn't catch the number of the 67 and the 268s. I think I even missed the number of the DB90 at the front. But at least we got the 92, so it's not all bad. My next station is going to be Northampton. Really looking forward to filming there. I haven't been there for quite a few years now. So again, that's going to feature London Midland services terminating from London Euston, carrying on to Birmingham New Street, and obviously the Birmingham New Street to London Euston services. And then obviously the freight that will trundle through at around 15 to 20 miles an hour. So, until next time, from me, here at Long Buckby, I shall see you all later. Take care, guys. Goodbye.